Hello everyone, so welcome back to Light Gym, and in this video we are going to solve some MCQs on modern history. So in this video we are going to solve the MCQs on the acts of 1773, 1786 and 1793. So let's get started, and as usual I'm going to teach you how you can reach the MCQ section. First of all, that's pretty much obvious. You have to visit lightgym.com. So this is the website lightgym.com, and here you have to look for RRB General Awareness for NTPC and Group D. You click here and you're going to click on the English medium. Okay, that's pretty obvious. English medium it is. And we have the RRB GK syllabus. We have polity, history, geography, science and economy. We are going with history, and we are just going to click on modern history. We click on modern history. Okay, so as you can see, these are the chapters on modern history. There are around 32 excellent chapters. Now, the acts of 1773, 1786 and 1793 is part of chapter 5. Okay, that is early administrative reforms. So we click here and we will be straight away directed to this part, that is RRB Group D and NTPC Modern History 1784, 1786 and 1793. I'm sorry, the act should be 1784. Okay, I accidentally mentioned it as 1773, 1784, 1786 and 1793. So we are going to begin with the first question. What was 1784 Act also known as? So it was known as the Picts Act. Okay, it was staged by the person that is called as William Pitt, who was also the British Prime Minister. He was the one who brought the Picts Act. So the correct answer is the Act of 1784 is also known as the Picts Act. Option B, Picts Act. Okay, so we have question 2, the number of members in Governor General's Council after 1784 Act. So there were around 4 members by the regulating act of 1773, if you don't remember it. So by the act of 1773, the earlier act, there were to be 4 members. Now it was reduced to 3 members. So the correct answer is option C, 3. Who moved the bill in the British Parliament that later became 1786 Act? Now the interesting thing is, after the culmination of 1784 Act, there was another act that was brought by William Pitt, again the British Prime Minister. So this was again the Act of 1786. Okay, first he brought 1784 Act and then he brought 1786 Act. So 2 acts were brought by this guy, that is William Pitt. So the correct answer is option A, William Pitt. Which act united the office of Governor General and Commander-in-Chief? So it was the Act of 1786 which united the office of Governor General and Commander-in-Chief. And Cornwallis was the first Governor General who actually became the Commander-in-Chief and the Governor General at the same time. Earlier, these were 2 different offices, that is the office of Governor General and the office of Commander-in-Chief. Now, after the Act of 1786, the 2 offices were merged. So the correct answer is the Act of 1786. Which act allowed Cornwallis to become Governor General? That's pretty much obvious, that is 1786. Okay, so we have solved around 5 questions. So let's check how many of them are correct. So let me just click on finish. 5 out of 5. Excellent. Okay, so let's end this.